Hello and welcome on a beautiful day in Wicklow. I am down at one of the nicest rivers I've been in a very long time. The only problem is, I'm here about 30 minutes and I've yet to find gold. So what I'm doing is, I have the sluice box set up further downstream, just to run as much material as possible. Sometimes when you're out panning, you do a quick sample here, a sample there, a sample there. You find gold, you find a base streak, you set up a sluice and you run it. But with this place, I have a feeling the gold is going to be so sporadic that what I'm going to do is just to properly sample the area. I'm going to take samples, buckets and buckets from everywhere, and just run it through the Cali Sluicebox. So you might be wondering why I'm just taking gravel from here. Just want water. Just want to fill the bucket. Need to fill the bucket with water for now. I'm not particularly interested if I get a cross sample of here or here or here. Look, I'm testing the entire stretch of river, and what a river it is. Look at this. Quite wide, and then it curves around the corner, gets really narrow, then drops off into a waterfall. Oh, it's gorgeous up here. It is great having two buckets because you can stack them, but today was all a bit minimalistic. Look at the Cali, and it's gorgeous. A lovely flow. This is the key thing you want. You want a curtain down the end of the river, down the end of the sluice box. You want this curtain. You want this lovely V in the middle. And you move the leaves out of the way so it doesn't mess up the flow. Look at that. It's great. It's working. And that's hard stuff to work down. It's not even clay, it's like sand really. Any nuggets? No? No, not today. Not yet. Oh, there might be nuggets today, but not yet. I'll be sure to get me gloves because there's nettles here. Kind of using this more like a cheese grater than a classifier. Yeah, this will work down fine. Right, let's tip that out. We'll put that through the sluice box, see where we're at. Not a whole lot. Oh yeah, that's actually a good bit. More than I thought it was. And, I don't want to wear me back out too early. And let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, nice kind of soupy material. Well done that. Oh ho ho ho, yes. It's got grey clay in it. In my book, grey clay equals gold. Not always. If it's worked material, may not, but grey clay usually equals gold. What I'm going to do is move these pans out of the way. Just put them on the bank. And put my next leg out so that a bit more bend to my position. So I'm not arching my back. So I'm just bending my knees. Still to bend the back a little bit, but not too much. Knees are much more forgiving. Plus the fact that I've got knee braces on, so I'm able to move a lot more than I would normally. Got a couple of little yellow bits here, look. Right, so that's run through. You can see where the entire sluice box is all grey. And look, grey clay downstream. That's a good thing. Grey clay usually means gold, doesn't always, but usually it means gold. Right, I'm going to do a bit more sampling in different places. The whole point is just to sample the living life out of the place and work as much material as humanly possible. So I keep working with this and see if you find some shinies. See all these rocks amalgamated together. Now this isn't hydrotherm, this isn't where gold has emerged to have a hydrothermic vent. So we've got big rocks, small rocks, smooth rocks, but they're all jagged, right? What that means is, this is hard pack. So this is where there was a layer of clay, and then on top of the clay formed this layer of hard pack. Hard pack effectively acts like a false bedrock. So what I've noticed is there's a couple of big rocks that pulled out of here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sucker tube in between here, and I'm going to test pan that. Wow, that is deep. That is very tight, hard to get into. Very hard to pull this material. I might come in with this pitchfork in a minute Ah, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for, gravels. I don't want to break this sucker tube. It's actually for someone else. The lad I'm meeting up with today. We swapped. I give him a sucker tube, he gave me a little small pan. Find what you like, find what someone else is like, and then you make a deal. It's the easiest way forward, bartering. That's how it works. Oh, that's just water. Interesting. I wonder, is it, dare I say, bedrock? Nah. I think most likely it's going to be hard pack. Okay. It's on some rock, so it's not bedrock. It's a smooth rock the gravel's sitting on, so maybe it'll have caught something. Ah, this'll do. So as you've seen before, you want to spin it backwards. Everything go backwards. Stratify for the front, stop. Put a line for practice for the first two. Wash them. Bring it on back. Stratify again. Swirl. Bring everything front, stop. Now we'll go the third line. So we can say everything past the third line. Wash it. We don't have to care, because it goes back here. Bring it on back again. Swirly, swirly. Stratify, stratify. Bring it to the front. Third line. And go back again. We just keep repeating that process. Cool. So what we'll do now is just come out of that fast moving water to somewhere we can stand properly, and we'll have a quick look in the light, see if we have any gold. There hasn't been gold in this pan all day. I'm here about 2 hours. Oh, how time flies. Oh yeah, gold. 2 microdots. Cool. Okay. Right, so for everywhere I've tested throughout the entire day, got nothing. Got 2 microdots there, sitting on the hard pack. Right, question is, where do we dig now? I don't know. I'll do some more sample panning. Right, see you in a few minutes, bye-bye. I've decided what I'm going to do, just for sheer simplicity and volume, is I've got the classifier sitting over top of here, and I'm just going to set lash material into it. Whether there's much gold in this or whether I can get classifying it correctly is irrelevant. I just want to run on yardage. I just want to put through as much material as I can straight through the sluice box. So if you watch, got loose gravel here, goes through 1/4 inch, that goes through the sluice box. At least we're getting something run. I just want to get a sample. I've got samples from up there, samples from there. 2 microdots of gold, pretty much no gold up there, no gold there. So look, under daylight, I might as well just punch a hole and run as much yardage as possible, and at least it'll give me a good indication of what might be here. Right, I'm gonna crack on with this. I'll see you later. Okay, so the box is starting to light up. What I've been doing is lashing gravel through it. I've bypassed the classifier now, and what I'm doing instead is I'm just sucker tubing straight onto the deck. You can see some nice yellow there. I'm hoping it's gold. It's in the right place, we're in the right postcode. Hopefully it is. There's enough, there's more than enough flow here for it to work. Get to a point now where we're going to have to get a shovel and clear the material out there. So now what I'm going to do is get the pitchfork and the shovel, and we're just going to move those big rocks. It gets us down to the gold bearing dirt faster. Happy days, that's all we want. Get down to the gold bearing dirt fast. There we go. Ah yeah. A lot of rubbish rocks. But I've got the V in the middle, got stuff in the box, it's running absolutely perfectly. I'd recommend one of these boxes. If you know anyone selling these boxes, get one. Brilliant. Way practical looking. Just stick a sling on it, makes it easier to carry. And I'm going to keep cracking on with this, and hopefully when we clean out, there's plenty of gold in there. Right, so we just finished up Facebook Live there. So what I'm going to do is just keep going with this. Oh, that's it. Leave the classifier at home. This thing works. Look at this. Very hard to get a full load in one go. Right, I get the pitchfork in there now. Get that sliced up. As I'm just looking for suitable ground to work in winter time. This is one of the few places that has a decent bit of flow, that is up above a waterfall. Don't fish up here. So we're not looking to remove the gravel at this point. All we're looking to do is to slice it up. Now, yeah, it's good to pull out some stones, but the priority at the moment is to slice up the ground. There we go. There's some nice big rocks. Pile them off to the side so that we get even more flow here. Not have to worry about this cleaning itself out because we're feeding it constantly, not having to go anywhere. Oh, that's nice, I like that. I think we're on some good ground now. So what we're going to do is very quickly, we're going to clean out this sluice box, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up so that it's all done in one shot. You can see how quickly I can clean this box out and get it reset. So all we need to do is to lift it out of the water so no more material comes through. Back that underneath. Ready. Just tighten that in a bit. There you go. What I'll do is I'll just bring it over the wall so it doesn't fall away. And what we'll do is get the pan. Just rinsing it out. No carpets to clean, no nothing. Honestly, they're a brilliant sluice box. Recommend anyone get one. Great for winter time. And you've got a load of flow and a good bit of drop. Just clean out that rubber mat. Yep, that's clean. Happy days. So what we'll do now is just park it back where it was. Boom, done. That's pretty much as exactly as it was. That's not bad. Yeah. Cool. So I'll work this material down first. Nice and gently. Bring it all to the front. Clean the front two riffles. Clean on back. Nice dark material, which is good. Remember, this is from this hole here, a couple of holes over there, the gravel over there, basically just from all over the place, but it's all from this one region. So any results like gold I get out of here, I know is from this region. Then I can go, right, that's grand, I know. For future reference, that this is worth it or not worth it. And that's what you do. It's a bulk test, basically. Right, that's low enough. I'll just come up to the flat water here, where there's a bit more light, just so we can see what we're doing. Right. Hoping there's gold here. Get a good bit of that water out. Quite easy. Black sand, good. Garnets, good. Gold! There you go. Oh, that's not bad. Well, those yellow bits in the mat were gold. Oh, happy days. It's not a lot of gold, but we didn't move a lot of material either. Right, not exactly the world's largest pieces of gold, but 2 small bits of gold and an acre of black sand and tiny garnets. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Sluicing with the Cali. If you did, chances are you liked the videos I've posted previously and the videos I'm going to post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.